Welcome to 101 Ways to Transform the Way you Cook. I'm so glad you could join me today into my kitchen. So welcome in. Come on, in you come. This is episode 18, baking trays. Now, baking trays are the most important thing in the kitchen. They really, really are. There's so many that you can have, and you can get different shapes and sizes, but according to the amount of people that live in your home. So if you've got 2 people or 1 people, you don't really need a lot. If you've got 4 to 8, then you need really, really big ones, depending on the amount of people that live in there. So that's really important, how many people live in your home, don't you reckon? So in my home at the moment, it's just me and my husband, Marco. So I don't have a lot of baking trays. I've given a lot away. I keep a few big ones just in case when the children come, holidays, and I've got to cook big meals. But I'll read to you a little bit of the ebook, and then I'll discuss a few little things that really help to have. I know a lot of people that don't have baking trays. So this is to start giving you a benchmark and building the foundations into your kitchen. Invest in baking trays. You can heat food in, bake and reheat. A good tray will give you years of baking. The best kinds are the non-stick ones. I use grease-proof paper and then put the food on top of it. This keeps the nutrients in, preserves the food and tray, and is easy to clean after I've cooked. So I've got a tray here to show you. This is the one I use all the time, and it is a Jamie Oliver one that I bought in Woolworths. Then I put grease-proof paper on top, and then what I do is, whatever I've got to cook, I put in between the grease-proof paper. And it helps. So what happens is, if I've got a roast pumpkin, I'll cut a pumpkin up and put it on top in diced up. Then I'll drizzle olive oil on top, a bit of salt, pepper, garlic and rosemary, and I'll put it in the oven. And then what happens, once it's cooked, I just take that off, and the tray actually stays clean, and it preserves the tray really, really well. If I've got to cook chicken, potatoes, fish, whatever, I always use that. But get a really good one. This is a really, really good one, believe it or not. And I've got pizza trays, and I put, look, invest in the best baking trays. They will save you so much time. And then all you got to do, the non-stick ones, then all you got to do is just wipe it down with some soapy water, rinse, and Bob's your uncle. It is so easy. You know, some people have the non-stick ones, like this pizza tray. It's not a non-stick one, so I have to use it. But these ones here, I can't tell you enough how good they are. I do everything with them. I even make a roast and put it on one of those ones there. Yep, you heard, a roast. I put it on there. It actually saves me so much time. And because of the grease-proof paper underneath it, you don't need a lot of moisture, because it holds all the moisture of the ingredient in that. So it is a wonderful thing to invest in. So invest in the best baking trays. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and let me know if you've enjoyed these episodes of 101 Ways to Transform the Way You Cook. Arrivederci. Ciao.